Let's learn how to turn off professional account on Instagram. If you switched over to professional account and you're not necessarily using it, and you want rather to turn it off over to personal account, I'm going exactly to show you how to do that. First, let's open Instagram app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account on which you want to turn off professional account. Then go to click on little picture of your profile in bottom left corner of the screen. You can see on this menu I'm already in professional account, because I have under the name a niche of my profile, and I have this professional dashboard, so to turn it, click on this 3 horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen. Now scroll all the way down until you see option called Business Tools and Controls, and when you find, open it. In the bottom of the screen you can see a switch account type option, that is penultimate option, and click on it. That opened to you a pop-up menu on which you can see 2 different options, switch to personal account and switch to creator account. In this case, click on first option. You can see Instagram tell to us, when you switch back to a personal account, in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all of your content, including your promotions, will be permanently removed. And when you agree with that, click on red text switch to personal account, and you are done. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.